Hello family, welcome to my channel. Miss Docha here. Today we are going to traditionally cook chicken drumsticks. Kindly, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, like, comment, and share it to your friends. Let's get into it. These are chicken drumsticks. I will then go ahead to slice them a little bit. I will then apply the salt to the drumsticks. Quickly, I will place the pan on fire. This is coconut cooking oil. We will then give it some time for it to be hot enough. So guys, because of the method that we are using, while you're frying it, it should not take a very long time inside the hot oil. Let me know in your village how you do it. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Remember, we are in Giriama land, coastal Kenya, Africa. This will repeat till all is done. I have to place all this firewood at one place. Straight away, I will place the wire mesh on fire. Let's roast the fried drumsticks. I will then slice the lemon and squeeze it on the drumsticks. When roasting your drumsticks, always remember to turn them. Due to the drumsticks being very hot, I will then dip my hand in the water so that at least it can cool down. Let me know in your village how you do it. We are done in preparing traditionally our drumsticks, our chicken drumsticks. Let me know in your village how we do it. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Remember, we are in Giriama land, coastal Kenya, Africa. In our village, with any delicious food, it does not miss warim bomb. Let me know in your village how you call it. Mom will then take us through this. Serving warim bomb, you have to make sure it looks presentable before you serve it. Quickly, I'll slice the onions. This is salt. Squeeze it fast till it relaxes. We will then add water to the already squeezed onion and squeeze it again. Let's slice tomato. After mixing the onion and the tomato, we will then add salt. Let me know in your village how you prepare your kachumbari. You're welcome. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Kindly, if you've not subscribed to my channel and yet to turn your notification bell on for you to be notified when a new video is up, please do so. Like, comment, and share it to your friends. Remember, at Miss Dosha's family, we always remind you to be your own kind of successful beauty. Peace.